Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're still on the gorgeous Albufeira and we're going to take a little walk along the beach. I'm going to head towards the old town, towards the main square. If you've been, you know. If you don't, let's see Wagwan. So I'm just going to take my flip-flops off. I'm going to go right along the waterfront. Let's get right into it. The sun is really coming out. See if you guys can see. It's been a bit sort of hit and miss with the cloud, but still really warm. And the cloud is starting to sort of disperse. It's burn my feet in this gorgeous sand. Let's take a nice little wander along. So we've done a nice scenic route the whole day, walking along the beachfront. So we came all the way from that way. We're just heading along to Newtown. So we are staying in the, heading towards the old town. We are staying in the new town on this little trip. Very, very quick, spontaneous trip. Really, really enjoying it. Probably the shortest little break I've had in terms of like flying abroad, but so happy we've done it. You never go wrong with a little bit of sunshine and just getting that last little bit of the weather before we go into August. We've got loads planned in August, but a lot of stuff planned back home. So we just wanted to try and get a last little minute July holiday in. Comment below if you're going away this summer with kids, family, partner, whoever. I'd really like to know where you're going, what you're doing, what you look forward to once the kids are off, or once you know it is your summertime. As you know, if you are new to the channel, we go all over. Next year we are looking to go a little bit more international. I say next year. It could be sort of early as the end of this year to early next year. But this year we focus more on Europe. So if you are interested, do check the channel out. We have been to lots of destinations. Not all of them have unfortunately been filmed. You can only do so much. We're quite a new channel, so please like, subscribe if you're enjoying the content. It really does help push our content to other people, and it helps what we're doing, and this is what we enjoy. We've always been a couple that like to travel since we've sort of known each other, and we had the bright idea, now that our sort of kids are older and doing their own thing, not so much kids anymore, sort of young adults, that we should make something that we enjoy and love and share it with everyone. So yeah, it really does help if you do spread that word. All I hear is quite chilly. To show you guys gorgeous ocean. But yeah, it's a little bit chilly on the feet. Wasn't really expecting that because, like I said, we just been to Greece and it was like really warm out in Greece in comparison to what it is here. Usually this time of year we do like a big Spain trip, and we go sort of like across Spain, all our different areas, mainly along like the Costa del Sol, and then we'll do Portugal, head back, maybe a little bit of France. Got a lot of friends in France. We love Rome, basically near the district of Champagne, and then we sort of like head home. So that's our sort of usual stomping ground this time of year. But like I said, with the channel, we've been mixing up a lot, and when we've done sort of Zante and everything, and Rhodes, the water there is a lot warmer. So yeah, comment below if you're going to Greece, if you're doing the Greek islands. If you're going to Turkey, we also did Turkey, we did Marmaris. Really, really lovely, especially if you want your fakes but not fakes. Really, really good for sort of getting your clothing, getting your bargains. And then yeah, next year we really want to sort of like go to Thailand. We want to do April in Thailand and Asia, and Kirk Williams Zoo, the lovely Cancun, Mexico, for his birthday, which is in January. And lots of seagulls as well. I just seem to be getting on with it. It's always amazing cliffs. You've got the lighthouse up there. Again, we have got a lot of footage if you do want to see more of that side from the last time we were here, and that was back in April. But we have been to Albufeira quite a few times, so do check out the video if you are someone who's like, nope, avoiding the summer like the plague, and you want to see what it's like beginning or out of season. We do have all of that footage. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Haven't got a mic with this one, and it's a little bit windier. Whew. Walking through the sand. I don't think people realise how much of a workout. If anyone's interested, I am trying to be a lot healthier. We are here for a few days, so haven't been the healthiest, but leading up to it, I've been really good with like my breakfast, lunch and dinner, and minimising my snacking. Still the odd drink here and there, but definitely not as much as before, and getting into workouts. So I did say earlier, if you've watched any of the content previously, because we do so much travelling, I am looking at sort of curving in the sort of eating out and the food, and trying to get ourselves back on track. So we've got like a little stepping point. Might go see Kirk up there, just by the lighthouse. Then we're going to carry on going along the beach. Some guys playing some football there. Some boys. And then you've got like the main square, so we're going to head towards that way. But we'll walk along the waterfront because, let's face it, it's summer. And who doesn't want to be beside the seaside in summer on a spontaneous little trip away? If you've never done a spontaneous trip, I freaking definitely recommend doing it. So worthwhile, and I think it's probably the best experience you'll have. I think we all grow when we come out of our comfort zone, and if you're not out of your comfort zone, you probably stay a little bit stagnant, and no one wants to be stagnant. It's not a great word anyways, it's stagnant. So yeah, if you haven't got anything planned this year, but you're thinking, oh, maybe I need to get away, just do it. Just do it. You will not be disappointed. I always meet people on holiday, whether it's someone that I meet for a lifetime or someone for a moment. There's always so much to learn, so much culture and experience. I always have such a fun time. And even though I've been here so many times, there's always different little areas to see, things to experience. So I really think if you are on the fence of whether or not it's worthwhile getting a little bit of real vitamin D this summer, do it. Even if you can only do a few days or 2 days, it is honestly going to recharge your batteries and make everything a lot better and brighter. Because look at this, peak of the summer, everyone loving life. It's hard not to be in a good mood when you're in somewhere that is this picture perfect. So you got like a little fun activity place over there. So you got like the blow up activity centre. I'm not sure on the prices. If I can find it, I'll find it. As always, try to give you as much information as possible. Okay, like a little shell home there. So the beach goes all the way around. You can see like the big massive like escalator down there. Escalator, that sounds so American. Lift, elevator, however you want to say it. And then you've got the massive square of Old Town. We made it. We are staying in New Town. Much younger vibe. Feeling like the parents of the crew down in that area, but loving it anyway. Like I said, it was a very quick, spontaneous trip, so we took the cheapest and best hotel money could get for the 3 days that we're here. So we're doing 2 nights, 3 days. Really, really quick, fun trip to Albufeira. No regrets ever when it comes to experience different places and just having a fun time. It's got a massive, like, I don't know if you guys can see over there, but they have a lot of like festivals and entertainment here as well. And then you've got beach and volleyball up here. So let's have a little quick look. And I'm going to love you and leave you. So I'm going to start venturing into Old Town. We go to Sky Bar, I believe it's called. Have a glass of Prosecco, enjoy the views, and just enjoy our full day here. And then tomorrow we go around 4 o'clock. So it really is a real quick little pit stop to enjoy a little bit of paradise before we go into August. And we've got loads of fun footage, UK based, for that time. So yeah, so you got your volleyball. Everyone's actually in there. Got like a little cave over here. So have a little walk over. Comment below, don't forget to like, subscribe. Honestly, it really, really does help the content more than you know. So if you are enjoying it, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, ring the bell, put the thumbs up or thumbs down, either way. It just shows that people are enjoying or not enjoying the content, but at least interacting with what we're putting out, and just makes our lives a little bit easier to find out what you guys need, want or don't want. Okay, so it just goes up to the stairs basically. Oh, my feet are burning. I'm gonna put my flip-flops on. Right, I'm gonna love you guys and leave you. Don't forget to, like I said, can I just say it one more time? Yeah, I can. Like, subscribe and everything in between. Hope you're enjoying the content, and I'll see you guys on the next one.